How to connect Exness to Tradingview. Hi everyone, in this video we will show you exactly how to connect Exness to Tradingview. Open Exness Trade. Tap on the Trade tab. Tap any trading instrument to expand its chart. Tap Sell or Buy to open basic order settings such as lot size. Tapping order settings brings up advanced options including the choice of 3 order types, market order, and appropriate limit and stop order types. Tap the tab to select the type. Take profit and stop loss options for each order type. Real-time data appears as these selections are chosen. Tap the appropriate Confirm button to open the order. A notification confirms that the order has been opened. When creating the order, you can check the details by clicking the Order Information button. The following information will be displayed. Fees will be charged after opening the order, and you can find out where the commission comes from. You can view the additional info about the leverage used to open an order, the amount of swap that can be deducted or credited to the account, pip value in account currency, volume in USD, volume in units, and then open Exness Trade. Tap on the Trade tab, tap any trading instrument to expand its chart, tap Sell or Buy to open basic order settings such as lot size, tap Order Settings to bring up the advanced options, tap the appropriate limit or stop tab. Enter the desired price of the order in the price field. Optionally, you can set the take profit and stop loss options here too. Tap the appropriate Confirm button to create the pending order. Confirming the pending order is active by opening the Accounts tab and selecting the Pending tab. You can also check out the link given in the description for some extra help. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.